The crypto world saw major developments in the past 24 hours, with the U.S. government pushing forward sweeping regulation and crypto markets responding in full force. Bitcoin climbed past $120,000 again, Ethereum reached its highest level in 6 months, and altcoins like Solana, XRP, and HBAR joined the rally. U.S. passes Genius Act, landmark stablecoin regulation. In a historic move, President Trump signed the Genius Act, marking the first federal regulatory framework for stablecoins. The law requires stablecoin issuers to maintain full reserves, undergo monthly audits, and comply with anti-money laundering regulations. This comes as part of what's being called Crypto Week in Washington, during which 3 major crypto bills passed the House. The legislative progress is being welcomed by many in the industry as long overdue clarity that could attract more institutional players into the space. Bitcoin surges past 120,000. Bitcoin once again climbed above the $120,000 mark, peaking near $123,000 before stabilizing. This latest rally is being driven by a mix of positive regulation news, growing institutional adoption, and renewed investor confidence. The Genius Act's passage is seen as bullish for Bitcoin, with many analysts citing the importance of regulatory clarity in driving further growth in the sector. Ethereum hits 3,175, best level. Since early 2025, Ethereum followed suit, spiking to roughly $3,075 before settling around $3,600. This marks Ethereum's highest level in more than 6 months. Institutional buying and strong demand for Ethereum-based applications, especially stablecoins, are behind the surge. Several public companies have also begun allocating ETH to their balance sheets, contributing to the growing momentum. Altcoins catch fire. XRP, HBAR, and Flare lead the way. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are grabbing headlines, a few notable altcoins are riding the wave. XRP, Hedera, HBAR, and Flare, FLR, all posted double-digit gains in the last 24 hours. This comes as traders look beyond the top 2 cryptos for shorter-term opportunities. Strong development activity and ecosystem news are contributing to the uptick in these alternative assets. Solana versus Ethereum. Analysts predict big year for Sol investment firm 21. Shares published a new report, suggesting that Solana may outperform Ethereum in 2025. They point to Solana's speed, low fees, and rapidly expanding developer ecosystem as reasons why it could take more market share from ETH over the next year. While ETH remains dominant in DeFi and NFTs, Solana's technical advantages continue to attract attention, especially for newer applications and consumer-facing tools. Final thoughts. The combination of regulatory breakthroughs in Washington and bullish momentum across top cryptocurrencies paints a strong short-term picture for the crypto market. Bitcoin's rally above 120K and Ethereum's new highs reflect growing institutional confidence, while rising altcoins show that investor appetite is broadening. As always, this isn't financial advice, but if this momentum continues, 2025 may turn out to be a pivotal year for mainstream crypto adoption.